Ladies and gentlemen, this is Web3 Bro once again. Okay, so right now we are still on the matter of Bittoken. The reason I'm really on this matter is because of the genuineness of the project. Okay, so now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can maximize the BM bot. Okay, with the bot, you will be able to harness your Bittoken. All right, you'll be able to get more reward points, and then you'll be able to mine. Remember, the listing price is 0.5. If you want to doubt me, let me go over here to wallet, and then I will scroll all the way down here. Now you see where it is. This is it. All right, this is 0.5. The listing price is $0.5, and this small amount I have right here, small token is 15.45, is equivalent to $7.72. That means if you have more of this BTC, of this BTT, it's going to give you more. All right, so let's get back to homepage. And now, if you look at my mining rate has increased from 30 to 75. How did I do that? Is I purchased the bot that can give me this. Now, the bot I purchased that gave me this is just $1. Let's head over to Booster. Click on Booster here. When you click on Booster here, you will discover I have active bot running. Okay, active bot running. I didn't have it when I did the previous videos. I didn't have it, so I just said let me test it and see how it works. So right now, if you look at this place right here, if you look at this place right here, you'll see you can spend between $1 to $100 per month to purchase a bot miner to boost your daily earning rate. Okay, mining rate and RP. Okay, so if you click on this buy bot right now, this is the first one I tried. If you can see, if I click on it, it won't buy again because I've already bought that, including this one. All right, so you can only buy one bot per time. So this one costs 1 USDT. All right, so I need to give you 2.5x of the amount. Now, I had 30. Let me go back home. I had 30 RP per hour. This place, I had 30 RP per hour initially. If you can check my previous videos, 30 RP per hour. So when I bought the bot, I boosted my balance from my earning per hour, my earning rate per hour to 75, from 30 to 75. That means around 40 TT, around 45 was added. Okay, around 45 was added to me. So if this is just for $1 bot, then how much more for the one of $5? This one will give you 12x. That means you can be mining up to 500 per hour. As you increase your bot, maybe this one is 10 USDT, you can get 25x of the mining power until you get to the last one, which is 100 USDT. You get 200x, 250x, sorry. That means you can be mining like 2,500 per hour. Yeah, 1,500 per hour. Okay, and then each of this video is focusing on this bot because it's very, very important. I activated the bot to try, and it's amazing how this thing is going to be giving me this level of earning per hour with just $1. And now this one can only last for 6 hours, and you reactivate it after 6 hours. Now each bot will last you for a month. Let me show you. It will last you for a month. If you come over here, if I come over here to mine, that's the home page. You click on booster, and then you click on, yeah, you see the bot that I bought, this particular one, the first bot. This is the bot. This bot is BM 2.5. Now this bot will expire on October 1st, 225. It will expire on October 1st. As you can see, this is 225, 10 and 01 at 6:34 a.m. 50 seconds. You may decide to deactivate it by simply clicking on it look at this button here. If I don't want this bot to work for me right now, I'll click on deactivate it to stop, and I'll do it later. So what are you supposed to do? You come over here to where you see the booster, and then you click and get click on buy the bot. Okay, click on buy bot miner. The first one is a 1 USDT. It can mine for 6 hours. It will give you 2.5x of earning per hour. And then this one, after 6 hours, it will stop and you reactivate. Now, very importantly, when you click on buy this bot and you've been able to purchase the bot successfully, the next thing you're going to do is to come over here to the come over here to the home page. Okay, you click on the booster. You click on the booster. Don't click on this bot, just click on the booster. Then you will see the bot here that you bought that is not activated. All you have to do is to click on the green button, activate, to start running. If you purchase the bot, don't think the bot has already started working for you. Not yet, until you have clicked on activate the button before the bot start working. And if you don't like the bot to work for you, you can then deactivate it. But of course, who don't want the bot to work? And that's it. So this one can work for only 6 hours. This particular bot that I'm running right now, which I'm going to upgrade, will work for 6 hours. And then if you want to upgrade to another bot, you can just deactivate the other one, come over here and upgrade to maybe 5 USDT, 10 USDT, 20 USDT, 50, and then finally 100. Now, the highest is 100. 100 USDT will give you 250x, which means that it can be around 2,500. So let's calculate on the bot I have right now. Now, I used $1 to purchase the first one. I used $1 to purchase the first one. Let's do some calculations right now. So the first bot is giving me 75 per hour. 75 per hour times 24 hours. That is 1,800 hour point times 30 days is 54,000 hour point times 0.00034. Remember I said the exchange rate for BTT from our point is 0.00034 BTT. So this will give you approximately 18.36 BTT. And what's the exchange rate? Listing price is 0 times 0.5. So you used $1 to make $9 in 1 month. Now this may look small, but that's just $1 bot. Now if you go for the one of $100, but I'm just use this as calculation to know where you are standing. So let's say it's giving you 250x of that can be, let's just be 25, but it's supposed to be 25,000, I guess, because if 2.5x is giving me 45, then this can give me up to 2,500 or 25,000 per hour. But let's just use 2,500 per hour times 24 hours. That bot works for 24 hours, and then 24 hours, 60,000. That bot works for 24 hours. So if it's 24 hours, you will come and click the bot to mine again times 30. So you've been able to mine 1.8 million of the RP tokens, the reward point, in a month. And if you divide it, if you times it by 0.00034 BTT, you're gonna have 612 BTT, right? Times 0.5. This is $306 minus $100 you invested. That's $206 profit in a month. Does it look like a good investment? This is real. This is real. Withdrawal is possible every month. You cash out. Every month you cash out. Every month you cash out. This is more like an investment. More like an investment. I'm showing you what is real. I'm showing you what is happening at the moment. The bot is working perfectly and is mining every hour, every second till it expires. And each bot will last you for a month. will last you for a month. So recap, come over here to booster. If you don't have your balance here, what you have to do is to click on deposit and enter. If you are going for the one of $1, just enter 1.5 or $2 here and make a deposit. Okay, if you're going for the one of $100 or in between any of the one you want to go for, just calculate, add the fee of $1 or $2 on top, and then make a deposit. After that, you now come over here and then click on buy bot miner, then select any of them, any of your choice. All right, and then purchase, and then you now come over here still on the bot, and then click on activate your bot. It will show green button, activate your bot here, and then you'll be fine. Your bot will be running successfully. So this video was meant for bot buying and the potentials that are involved in you making money every month buying the bot. This is not Ponzi scheme. This is a real project. It's going to be listing at $0.5. So that is it for the video. If you're looking for the link to be in the description, click the link and register and get started today. We see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell. We post video every day and you will get notified. Thanks for watching.